that is all healthy, ladies and gentlemen. It's the great produce department here at Kuhn's Market, Hopewell. And of course, healthy is what we're thinking New Year's Day moving into 2019. A better you, a healthier you. The topic of conversation, healthy eating, Sunday at 8 a.m. on the Kuhn's Cooking Hour with Joe and Frank Tentisi. And here is how you join them by phoning in at 866-391-1020, Dollar Bank Instant Access, kdkradio.com, or you can text them on the Red Automotive line, the best deal in town. So, think healthy, think New Year, and think the Kuhn's Cooking Hour for another year. 8 to 9 Sunday mornings on KDKA Radio. Happy New Year.